Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. Today, we will be unboxing this portable multifunction electric cooker with adjustable heat for 3 levels that I bought on Lazada. This multifunctional electric cooker can be used for cooking rice, noodles, soup, fried food, and more. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out Shopee or Lazada. The links are in the video description. First up, we've got this sturdy glass cover, followed by the wire cable, and here's the start of the show, the ceramic pot. What's great about this cooker is the adjustable temperature control. Whether you need it low, medium, or high, you've got total control. Now, let's put it all together. The glass cover goes on top and the handle snaps right in place. Simple, right? Let's put this cooker to the test and boil some water.
A few moments later.
And look at that, it's working like a charm. This portable electric cooker is not just handy, it's also super affordable. I've been using it for a while now, and I must say it's a game changer. I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a convenient cooking solution. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll greatly appreciate it. See you in my next video.